Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Welcome to online session. Today we would study about summary writing from subject English reading and writing. So please open exercise booklet pages 97 and 98. So the story is about the ugly duckling. The Ugly Duckling is one of the Danish storyteller Hans Christian Andersen's most famous fairy tales, with a powerful message about self-image and acceptance. The story is valued for its ability to teach children the importance of kindness to others. These are all life experiences that teach us important lessons about acceptance and kindness towards others. And one of the most famous examples of such a lesson in children's literature is Danish storyteller Hans Christian Andersen's fairy tale, The Ugly Duckling, published in 1843. Story summary. The story tells of a plain-looking little bird, the ugly duckling, born in a barnyard. So barnyard means large fenced area. His brothers and sister, as well as other birds and animals of the farm, tease him for being plain and ugly. So he runs off to live with a flock of wild ducks and geese, until hunters shoot down the flock. So everybody is sort of allergic because of his unique demeanor or unique body or unique disposition. Here you can see from the picture, he was different, so big and apparently ugly to himself, so that even his brothers and sisters were unkind to him because he was different than others. Alone again, the ugly duckling finds a home with an old woman, but her cat and he also tease him, so he doesn't stay there long. In his wanderings, the ugly duckling comes across a flock of migrating swans, and he wishes to join them but can't because he's too young and can't fly well enough. So he got hope, but still there's a time. For the proper time he has to wait. Look here, when he is isolated and aloof, he felt miserable. When winter sets in, a farmer rescues the ugly duckling, but the farmer's children and other animals frighten him with their noise and teasing. So again he flees, run away. He spends a cold and lonely winter hiding in a cave until springtime, when the flock of swans comes to the lake near his hiding place. So the whole farmyard disliked him because he was different, and even the wild ducks also make fun of him. So now in his loneliness, nobody understand me, said the duckling. He left the cottage. Time passed, autumn came, winter approached. When the ugly duckling approaches the swan, he is delighted to find that they accept him and treat him like one of them. When he looks at his reflection in the lake, he realizes to his astonishment. So he realizes to his astonishment that he's matured into a beautiful swan himself. When the swans fly off from the lake, he spreads his wings and joins them, finally having found a family who accepts him, because he was not from duck's family. And he realized when he saw his reflection in the clear water. Now look at him. One evening, beautiful birds came out of the bushes. They were swans. The duckling had never seen any like them before. He wished to be as lovely as these beautiful creatures. Here, look at the picture. One day he could see his own image in the clear water of the lake. He was a beautiful swan. So now he was the most beautiful of all birds. He was so happy. Homework. Dear students, hopefully you would have enjoyed this wonderful story. Please write your own summary as a homework from the text on pages 97 and 98. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.